Let us take you on a journey beyond the ordinary to the north of Maldives, where untouched white sandy beaches span endlessly beneath your feet, where luxury meets serenity in world-class resorts. Where the soul of the Maldives comes alive through warm smiles, local flavors, and authentic guest house stays. Here, a rich heritage thrives, blended into the daily life, from island traditions to timeless artistry. Crystal clear waters call for adventure, reflection, and memories waiting to be made. This is another Maldives. Unspoiled, inviting, unforgettable. Come explore. The north is waiting for you.